In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a CV on Novoresume. Now, to do this, you first want to go to their official website and you want to sign up for an account. Now, if you have an account already, you can simply just sign in or log in, and then you'll get the access to the platform. Then you want to go to the top right and click on My Documents. And then from here, you want to click on plus CV in the top left. So when you do this, CVs are for, as it says over here, 5+ years of experience. So just click on that. And then from here, you can see various CV templates. You could go and use any of these or click on Explore Our Templates. And then from here, there's going to be a bunch of templates you can choose from to get started. I'm just going to go up here and I'm going to go with a simple one over here. I'm just going to use this academic one over here. So I'm going to click on the academic template. And as you can see, it's going to open up like this. So I just have to basically create from scratch. There we go. I'm just going to click on that because this is a fresh account. There we go. And you also have to answer some questions and then you're done. Okay. So this is going to pop up. It's a CV builder, which is actually quite easy to use. So all you have to do is fill in all these fields which are pre-built over here onto this template. So you can just click anywhere where you can see the specific like red exclamation mark, which means you haven't filled this in yet, and then you'll be able to fill it in. So we can click on that and click on fix it, or you could just go and click on any of the things that aren't put in yet, and you can just go ahead and of course fill it up. So here it says professional title. I'm just going to type in YouTuber like this, and then you have to put in like a pitch. For example, I'm going to just type in tutorial text over here because of course we're not going to waste your time here. Then you have things like title, position, or whatever. So just go with each and every single one of these and click inside these boxes, and it's going to extend and show you what all you have to fill in to actually build your CV. So I'm just gonna go and type in some random things over here. I'm just going to do some random dates, and then you have like countries, companies, etc. And as you can see here, when you click out of here, it's going to save it and it's going to be filled in with your info, which of course is amazing. Now you can do this for every single part here, and of course you'll be able to build your resume that way. So let me actually do it like this. There we go. And then you can keep on going and adding everything in here, and as long as you have these exclamation marks, this means something is missing. In my case, a title is missing, so if I type it like this, there we go, something else is missing again. There we go. As you can see, there's like some errors in here. You have to fix all this to make the optimal CV. But again, if you are done and you still can see these exclamation marks, you can just click on the optimizer top right and just disable it, and you'll be good to go like this as well. Now you could use these buttons up top to basically position things, or you could just go and click anywhere here if you want to kind of structure your layout in a different way. And then up top you have options of a layout. You can change to a different layout, or you could go to a custom layout over here, which essentially is going to allow you to kind of customize it however you want. So you then want to go to layout and you want to start building it just like that. Okay, you can of course build it however you want, and you'll be able to kind of customize it so you don't actually use the exact template which is predefined. Now here you also have fonts. You can change these if you wanna. You have themes, so if you want different like color themes maybe, or maybe like backgrounds and stuff like that, you can change these over here. And then you also have the format, which allows you to change formatting, the dates, the footers, etc. Okay, whenever you are ready, you can then go and click on the download button top right, and you can go and download your CV that way. Now in my case over here, I just want to save it. So to save it, all you have to do is click on My Documents top right, and it's going to go back to your documents where you can see all of the ones you have. And in here you've successfully basically made a CV on Novoresume. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.